Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the kissing Shrek trend videos you see on TikTok. So if you want to create these kind of videos on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next, you're tapping on search and you're searching for Shrek kissing filter. Now in the search results, you're looking for this Kissing Shrek by Riley. It should appear under the effects. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll see all the videos which were using the filter, and this is how the filter looks like. Now if you don't see this in your TikTok app, then unfortunately this hasn't been released in your area or on your app. So you'll just need to wait patiently until TikTok releases it for you. Now to use this filter, go ahead and tap on Use this effect at the bottom. This will now open up the camera view, and as you can see, you'll see Shrek in front of you and kissing you. Now you can go ahead and tap on the record button and you can start acting your video out. And there you go. You've got your trending sound already set. You can go ahead and add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go guys, that is how to create the Shrek kissing trend video on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.